Time now 9:48 on this Saturday morning. It is time for Imagine It. If you're eating breakfast, I want to stop just for a brief moment, right? Science experiment time.
This is really cool.
Okay.
So I brought in some cow eyes today. Okay, so we're actually going to, this is what a cow eye sort of comes with, lots of connective tissue here. And earlier I removed some of that tissue, and we get down to just sort of the eye itself with the optic nerve.
Oh.
Okay? This is the thing that, basically the cable that sends the information to your brain.
Okay.
Now we're going to dig in a little bit deeper here, right? Actually, you are. And we're going to see actually what's inside the eye. So go ahead and take those scissors.
Okay.
I've done most of the work for you.
Okay.
All you need to do is put the scissors in sideways and sort of make a little snip. Make a little snip.
Okay.
Just cut
Oh,
it.
man.
All right, there we go.
Okay.
You got it. All right, you can put the scissors down.
All right.
So let me give this to you here.
Just, oh, I get to hold the eyeball.
You get to hold the eyeball. Okay, so inside there, you can see that we have this like jelly-like stuff. Why don't you go ahead and scoop that out onto the plate? Just go ahead and scoop it out.
Oh, Carl.
So that's called the vitreous humor. That's the liquid that's inside the eye. Okay, and what you actually scooped out right there was the vitreous humor and, slippery, and the lens of the eye. All
Okay.
right? Now this is a preserved eye. Okay, so the lens is kind of cloudy, and a normal eye would be totally clear. All right, and so that's what focuses the light back to the retina, which you have right here. If stick your finger in there and squish that soft tissue around.
Oh, it's very spongy.
Scoop it right out.
Scoop
it.
Okay.
Get kind of hard with it there. There you go. So that is actually the tissue that has the rods and cones that allows you to see. Okay? Excellent. That is the retina on your fingertip right there.
Oh.
And the shiny stuff on the back is actually called the tapetum. So cows, or cats and other animals, if you shine a light at them, you get that sort of like glow that comes back. That's a reflective layer that shoots the light back through the rods and cones, allows them to see better at night.
It kind of looks like a pearl a little bit in there.
It does. It looks like a
kind
little
of
shiny,
opal. Okay.
opalescent. Yep. And so you can put that down now. And so in the front part of that eye, let me give you this here. This is actually the iris of the eyeball. It's the thing that makes the pupil gets larger and smaller. It's sort of a muscle to constrict the light in and out of the eye. And so these are cow eyes, which are about the same size as a human eye. Okay, and this
They look so much bigger. Okay.
Well, they're a little bit bigger, but go ahead and give that a poke. This is actually the cornea. If you imagine a cow out in the field munching on grass, you need the cornea to be sort of tough because you got blades of grass sort of poking at your eye. And this is sort of a workshop that we do with visitors at the Science Center. They can sign up and do an eyeball dissection and learn all about the eye. We delve in a little bit deeper than what we did here.
Okay.
A quick overview, but it's really cool, really powerful learning experience to actually take something like this apart.
To take it apart and everything.
See how all the parts connect
So you're
together.
doing a little bit of biology down there too,
A little biology. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
All right, sounds good. So if you were interested while you were eating your cereal this morning, there you have it. The inside of a cow eye, everyone, that I have touched with my hands. Thanks, Carl, for giving me gloves this time.
No
That's
problem,
good.
no problem.
All right. Well, there are a lot of activities going on down at the Imagination Station besides cow eyeball dissection. They also have the Mindbender Mansion, right? Tell us about that.
Brand new exhibit that's opening up, all about problem solving, puzzles, brain teasers, 40 individual exhibits, 5 group activities. It's really cool. You want to come down and check it out.
I heard about this one, and that definitely sparks my interest. Maybe a little bit more than the cow eyeball is still interesting, but Mindbender Mansion opens today. They're open down at the Imagination Station today from 10 to 5, and as Carl mentioned, 40 different brain teasers. Cool day for the whole family out there, right?
Absolutely.
All
It's
right,
a lot of fun.
Carl, thanks so much. You're always surprising me. That's today's Imagine It. Now let's go to Dave with sports.